really want. I appreciate your help. Thank you.
It's okay. Good. Helping people also helps me, so we're helping each other really.
I'm really grateful, dog.
Can you see this?
Do I invite him or
What?
do I invite the doctor or no? Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no, 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 don't. Save it for when we really need it.
Huh? Yeah,
Save it
sure.
for when we really need it. I don't think we'll need them right now.
I'm just.
But let it be like a last resort, like if everything else fails.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. No. I'll just put stuff here.
If AI can't help us and Yassine can't help us, then we can bring the best.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. What
Yeah, this
pages
one.
do I have in this book? Give me a second.
Yeah, I think this is a good one to start with because it looks pretty easy. So look, ignore look, so we don't cheat. I'm just gonna screenshot the circuit and don't look at the solution, okay?
Yeah, I'm not.
Let me just.
Oi!
Just a second. Can you see it?
Wait, give me a second. My bad, bro. My pencil case like broke.
Broke?
I don't know what happened. Can't even open my pencil. What the hell?
Like is the zipper jammed?
Yeah, basically.
Try closing it and opening it again. Sometimes if you go back, it fixes itself.
Yeah, I'm trying. So dumb.
What happened? Don't open?
I think I opened it. Okay. It's all good now.
Okay, good.
just wasted like so much time. I swear to God.
What?
I'm saying I just wasted so much time just looking for this piece.
It's okay. It's only been a few minutes. It's fine. No rush.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
You got it? Okay, good.
You? Okay.
I'm still here.
Yellow. Okay. So mesh, freaking mesh, which uses what? KVF, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just gonna write in my notebook. Revision. Do I use a pen or pencil? Because we are gonna know that.
I suggest to use a pencil. So if
Yeah,
you make
so we can make mistakes. Yeah, no. Revision, midterm. Okay, so mesh. Yeah, it's mesh. Okay, so do I draw the circuit or just?
Yeah, draw it. Go ahead.
Quickly. Okay. But what did you ever like fail a midterm or like get a bad grade in something?
I got like 55% on my Calc 2 final.
It's not surprising. It's Calc 2, bro.
Yeah, that's probably the worst grade I ever got in a. Actually, no, I got like 40 something percent on a statics exam before.
Statics. It's not crazy, bro. It's normal.
But the thing is, I think it was a failing average. So
No, that's good. That means you passed.
yeah, that's not so bad. Though. I think that's my least favorite class I ever took. Even though it should be easy, I don't know what happened.
Sometimes it just nothing clicks.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if maybe like I wasn't clicking or the professor wasn't clicking or what was going on, but something wasn't clicking.
The brain, maybe. Okay, I wrote it.
Okay.
Okay, so first we have I1, I2, and I3, right?
Yes.
So at I1, what do we have? We have 4MA, right? Can we immediately write I1 is equal to 4? Or
Yes.
we have to write I1 is equal to 4 and then I1 is equal to, not I1, like 2I? Because it's like connected to I3 or no?
No. You see how it's on a boundary? You can say I equals 4 because only I touches it basically.
Mm-hmm.
So you can say I1 equals 4. You're right.
Okay, so first one is I1 is equal to 4.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we stop or do we go? We check the next
Yeah,
one.
you're done with I1 now. Because the whole point of these loops is to make equations, but because you know I1 equals 4, you're done. Now you move on.
So let's go to the next one. I2 is equal to what? To is this 2? Can't see his thing.
Yeah, because I got cut off from the screenshot. It's 2MA. Yeah.
Oh, okay, 2 MA. Okay, so I2 is also 2 MA.
Well, be careful with the sign. You see how they're look.
Yeah, it's opposite, no?
Yeah, so it's minus because this is like this, and I2 is like this, the opposite direction. So
So
I2
it's
is
gonna
minus.
become -2.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, -2. Yeah, you're right.
And these two are you can see they're together, so it's the equal sign.
Oh, okay. And now to I3. Yep.
I3 now you have to make an equation. I3 will take this is the tricky part now.
Okay. So at
But look,
I3.
remember it's always KVL, so you have to find the voltage here, plus the voltage here, plus the voltage here, plus the voltage here equals 0. So it's basically KVL.
Okay.
The only thing you have to be careful of is when it's between two currents. So like how would you do this one, for example? This first one here. How would you do it?
This one or with the
line circle.
using nodal? Sure, but if I'm using mesh, I'm not sure.
What's the first step here? What's the voltage here?
I would say 4 times the I3, no?
Almost, but that's not the full thing.
4 minus I2 minus I3, you mean?
4 times I3 minus I2.
Yeah. And
Exactly.
the other one is 2 I3 minus I1.
Yes.
And then 6 I3 because 6 is not connected to I1.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
it is
correct.
connected.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. And then plus minus 3, yeah?
Yes. This is exactly what I have. I hope it's right.
Did I do something right or something wrong?
Yeah, you're right. You got exactly what I got. I just hope that I also did it correctly. Either we're both right or we're both wrong. So now we know. Now we know this is minus 2,
Okay.
and we know this is 4. So then it'll be one equation and one unknown. So
Yeah, because we already plugged them, yeah? We already know them.
yeah, you know them. So not only I3 will be unknown here. So you can just solve this equation for I3. So tell me what you get, and I'll tell you what I got after you
So
tell me.
solve it for I3. You mean like 4 times I3 will give me what? Like will give me 4 I3, yeah? And then 4 times minus, for example, minus 2 will make it positive, yeah? So 4 times 2, like this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. This will give me 8. And then 2 times I3 will give me what? 2 times I3 will give me 2 I3, yeah?
2 times, yeah.
And then 2 times minus I1. I1 is what? Is 4, but minus will make it negative. So 2 times negative 4 will make it minus 8.
Yes.
And then plus 6 I3 and minus 3 equal to 0, yeah? And then we add all the numbers, this will become 0, and then we'll take the minus 3 to the other side, right?
Yeah, just bring I3 to one side and everything else.
And I3, and I combine all the I3s, yeah?
You combine all the I3s and put them on one side, take all the others and put them on the other.
So it's 12 I3 is equal to 3?
Yeah.
Okay, and then?
And then just divide.
Divide the 12 by 3.
3 by 12. Divide 3 by 12.
Yeah, I mean the 12 we put it under 3, no?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so it will become basically the I3 is equal to 12 to 3 over 12. That's the answer.
4.
Huh?
Which is 1 over 4.
Yeah, you're right.
That's
1 over 4.
Okay, good. And now the goal is to find V naught. So now we're gonna do KVL around this loop and get V naught.
We're going to do what? KVL on this loop now?
Yeah, because our goal is to find V naught. That's the point. That's the goal of this question.
Okay.
So I think what we're gonna do, I'm not sure honestly, but I think this is going to be I4, but it'll be 0. This is like acts as an I4 here, and then we'll do the same thing, but I4 is 0.
Okay, so let's call I4. Call it 0, yeah?
Yeah, I4 equals 0 because it's open circuit.
Because it's an open circuit, or an other no. Open circuit is not considered dead, right? Dead circuit, because I remember you said dead circuit means there is only circuits without anything, yeah?
And dead circuit means there's no independent source.
Yeah, only.
If you move this and remove this, then it's dead. Oh, and this as well.
Yeah.
But dependent sources won't make it alive. So if it has only dependent sources, it's dead.
Or if it does not have any and just
Yeah.
circuits, I mean just resistors.
But basically, it has to have independent. If it has independent, it's alive. If it doesn't, it's dead.
Okay.
That's all it is. And of course, they have to be. Of course, it has to be independent and they have to be connected to the circuit, obviously. But like that'll always be the case. Look for independent source.
Okay. So at I4 equals 0 first. Okay.
Yeah, and this is
open circuit because it says 0. And then we have what? We have in the same line, we have 6k ohm and 3v, yeah? I remember there was like something where you calculate minus or something, then you will get a number, or I'm wrong?
I don't know. The best thing we can do is just do the loop as always, and then we'll see, because I don't have an answer yet. But we're gonna start here. What will this be?
Wait.
Enter from here, go like this, and go, and that'll be the loop.
You mean 6k ohm, like going from there?
Yeah, we're gonna enter from here first. So what's this? What should we write for KVL?
Plus plus 3, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so
That's what I
KVL
have.
is equal to plus 3
Hmm.
V3.
What's this? What? Right.
Wait, let me see here, plus 6
Mm-hmm. Times what?
times V0, yeah? Oh no, I4.
Only I4.
I4 and I3.
I4.
So
I3.
I4 minus I3, yeah? I4
Yes.
is 0 minus I4 minus I3.
Exactly. And then
Okay.
just plus V naught, right?
And then plus V0
I,
equals
I,
0.
I hope that's right. I don't know yet. I haven't checked, but this is what I got. So let me solve for V naught. You do that too, and tell me what you get. Then we'll check it for right or not.
Wait, we take V0 to the other side, yeah? Or no, we take all of the other numbers to
All
the
this is
side.
equal,
Huh?
yeah, all this is equal to 0. Then just add up all these numbers and move them up to get V naught.
Yeah, so we don't let V0 become negative, yeah? Don't take it like that.
Yeah, yeah,
We make all the numbers negative, right?
yeah.
Times 0. Wait, okay, let me just multiply this. So the calculator, 6 times 0 will give you 0, and then 6 times 1 over 4 will give you what? Will give you 1 over 5, 1.5. So minus 3 plus 1.5, no, minus 1.5. Minus 1.5, yeah, that's it.
I got minus 1.5 as well. Let's see.
Minus 3 minus 1.5, right?
Minus 3 plus 1.5. Go see this is negative, and then we're gonna add it across to the other side.
Oh yeah, because it was negative at
Yeah,
first,
yeah,
and
it's
then when
negative.
we took it to the other side, it became what? It
And then
became.
this is the positive, then it'll become negative over there. So we minus.
Wait, the one in the bracket does not change signs?
It does look. It's negative, but you see how it's on the same side as V.
No,
So
no.
then we
So
add.
wait. So we solve it first, then we take it. So when we solve it, we got what? We got minus 1.5, 1.5,
Yeah,
right?
we
But
added.
when we took it to the other side, it became positive, basically.
Yeah, and this one's
Yeah.
double. This one's 3, so it becomes
Plus
minus.
1.5. So yeah. So minus 3 plus 1.5 will give
Yeah.
you 1.5, as you said.
Are we right?
Minus 3 plus
Okay, we
1.5.
got I.
Is it
Yeah.
minus
So yeah.
minus 3 over 2, right? I'm looking at
Yeah,
the
it's
calculator.
correct. It's correct.
Oh, we're correct? Nice. Okay.
Okay, good.
Minus 3 over 2. Nice.
Okay, wait, don't look because I'm gonna get the next problem and screenshot it over there. Just don't look.
Yeah, I'm closing my eyes.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
This is gonna be
I'm already closing my eyes.
this is gonna be a super mesh
How do you know it's a super mesh?
because I can see it in the solution. Or like the mesh is already
The
done.
solution? The solution does not. I didn't see the solution anyway.
Right. Let me erase all this.
Just hold. You see, okay, you can just do that also. There's another trick if you want. You see, like the top left selection?
Where?
It's on the left.
Oh, this.
Press on the box. Press on it, and then you just choose what you
Oh,
want, and then
oh.
just like cancel. Like press delete. Yeah. Just delete everything.
Okay, let me paste this because you see this is how I knew because they on the view already.
Yeah, because he made it into 2, not 1.
Yeah.
And how do and wait, yeah, and for mesh, how do we know if it's a super mesh? If it's
Yeah.
2
See this?
resistors? I mean not mesh. I mean nodal. How do you know if it's a super nodal?
Super node.
Yeah, super node. When it's both of them are what?
Yeah, yeah. You have to have some sort of source. Then you have this node here, and this.
Node here, yeah. Okay.
And then if neither is the ground, then you can do a super mesh.
Mm-hmm.
Like this has to not be the ground, and this has to not be the ground. Like the ground has to be like somewhere else. Say we do this or something.
Yeah, but
Then we have
if it was immediately under them the ground, that means it
yeah.
does not
If
work.
it's the ground, then this can't be a super mesh. The ground is like here.
I see, I see.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, and for mesh is what? What's the case?
When you have this, you have a current source, an independent current source inside an internal branch. So this you can't make a super mesh here because it's outside, but here it's inside. You see that?
Yeah.
Right. So basically, what you do is just ignore it when you're doing the super mesh. Oh, oops.
Wait, what did you say? So your voice lagged for a second.
So when you do the super mesh, basically you ignore this.
Okay. We ignore this.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember because super mesh means like there is basically a loop. This loop is connected to another loop under it. No.
Because there's a current source between them.
Mm.
And
That's the only
the
reason.
entire branch, even if there's other things, like if there's a resistor
Like see,
or a
we
force,
remember our
whatever.
question or solve
Oh.
for the mesh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can see that what there is a source. There's a source in the middle. That's why the I2
Yeah.
and I3 and our like quiz 3 solution became a super. No?
Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so draw it and we'll start.
Wait, we did not submit that. I forget.
Yeah, you can ask for it.
Boy, and he was like this student who I told him there is a homework, and he saw it but did not tell me. No, he was like, "Yani, why didn't you tell me?" Like, I said, "Doctor, maybe you want to do some tricks. I don't know. You're unpredictable."
I have to like was like
When I went to his office, he told me
no?
he put a homework 3, like 3 and 4. I said, "Oh, okay." And then I opened my phone, I checked, there is nothing. I was like, maybe he's like doing some new trick. But for real, he was also lost.
I would honestly I would have thought the same thing because like remember how he like gives us quizzes and then they don't happen. So I would have thought the same thing.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, maybe he's doing some like his magician. Nasser doing tricks like manipulation.
Yeah, to make us study.
Yeah, wallah, I swear this guy.
That's why he's the goat.
Meh.
No, not that kind of goat. He's
I'm sorry, that was not funny. Okay, what's the next question? What's it called again? Oh wait, did you write it? Did you draw this?
I'm drawing it right now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Mesh. 1k ohms. Plus minus plus. Close it 6b. Right. Resistor 1k ohms. Go down.
It doesn't look okay. I'm gonna check something quickly. I'll see what it's asking for because I didn't.
Yeah.
Find that.
What's the question?
We need to find that.
Find what?
I not this one.
Find I naught. Where is I naught? I naught is in the middle.
Here, I just circled it down here.
Yeah. It's in the middle. You circled out. I heard a cat, bro, from your house. You have a cat?
Or here's something. You have a cat with you in your room?
No, I'm saying I heard a cat. And you?
Oh. I feel like I heard the cat in your room.
Wait, maybe it is. Julie?
I have a cat.
Yeah.
Maybe like her audio is coming over to me and somehow coming back to you, so you're hearing your own cat. I don't know.
Maybe
maybe
you're hallucinating. Maybe it's all the circuits.
maybe we're crazy now.
Why do you think Nasser Qaddoumi smokes like 17 packs a day? How do you think he goes through this shit? Boy, you remember he said, he's like, I can't smoke anymore.
Oh, did he say that? I don't remember.
No, not that. I meant he said one time like, oh one time I was like with this doctor, and then I told him you have like a cigarette pack. I mean, it's a lighter. He said no. I was so angry. Like,
yeah, you have to if you have a lighter.
Yeah, and bro, like you don't blame the guy. You know what kind of life he lives. Well, at least he gets paid. I think like 60,000. Something.
Who like a professor or Nasser specifically?
No, sir. Like 60,000 and plus, I think, because he's been a doctor for what, like 40 years now.
Well, 60 a month, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It's like between 45 and 60,000, I think.
How do you guessing or did he tell you?
No, it's by probability and statistics and like the average for the US members and all his like roles, because he used to be a provost, like in like academic, Like he used to fire students, you know. And
Oh,
he
the
was the
provost.
head, and he was head of department, and he has like too many years, and plus having children like adds I think like an extra 2,000 maybe. I don't
Crazy.
know, it's like something like that.
I thought it would be more, honestly.
No?
I
Yeah,
thought it would
no,
be
but
more.
it's like almost $1 million a year.
Is it?
Yeah, like
6,
if you just
12.
calculate 60,000
Oh,
times 12, you get almost 800,000.
I guess that's a lot.
Yeah, but he has like probably side projects. Like, bro, I saw him on TV, bro.
What?
Yeah,
Actually?
yeah, I was searching him and I saw him like he was in an interview. So shit.
Really?
Yeah. So I was not surprised. I was like, yeah, of course. Like this guy has been the anchor of electric engineering in the US. Actually,
He is electrical engineering in AOS.
he is the electric engineer. Like he writes the degree for you and you take it.
I wish he taught like every electric class. I want to take circuits too with him with electronics, and I want to also I want to teach my mechanical classes as well.
You'll understand easier from him.
I want to take heat transfer with him.
He will like make you stand and then he will hug you. See how much percentage transfer did I give to Abu?
I bet he could just like compile it all somehow. Maybe he's not even a human. Maybe he's a computer.
Maybe.
Maybe he's AI.
Maybe the water I gave him had gas. You don't know.
By the way, are you writing the problem?
Yeah, I'm writing. Oh, you mean write the question or draw it?
I mean, like, did you draw it?
Yeah, I finished drawing it.
Okay,
So,
you want to start?
yeah. So
Yeah, let's.
I1 is equal to 2,
Yes.
and the I2 and I3 I will just equal them to nothing for now.
Oh, what am I doing? It's 2.
Yeah.
And
The I2 and the I3 are like equal to
you,
each
you,
other,
you
yeah?
can also say I not equal something. You know what I not equal to?
Huh?
You can also say I not equal something. Do you know what?
Oh yeah, I not is equal to both of them, no? Or 2K. And this
This is the resistor, so it's not equal to 2, okay?
is equal to I2 and I3.
This
No,
this.
also not. Yeah. Yeah,
But how I2 and I3?
because there's a source.
Like, keep in mind, super mesh doesn't mean I1 and I mean, it doesn't mean I3 and I2 are related. It just means you skip this branch. Like I2 is still separate and I3 is still separate. So actually, I not has nothing to do with I3.
Then how will we write it?
Think about it. Just look over here. Think about it.
Okay, I'm looking. I not, can I call I not like I1 minus I2?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Can you tell me why, or are you guessing?
Huh?
Can you tell me why, or are you guessing?
Because on the left is I1, yeah? And on the
Yes.
on its
I1
side, like you
going
see
back
the
to-
directions?
Yeah, exactly. I1 is going down, I2 is going up. So I1 is matching I not, so it's a positive one.
Okay,
Exactly.
when I told you, I think I just like guessed it, but when I looked properly, I saw the directions. You see, like this is
Yeah.
going like this, and the left one is like going, you know, like they will hit each other.
Yeah, exactly. And remember,
So
we
I1 will become like
by the way,
positive, and I2 will like hit it by negative, yeah, basically.
we did this for mesh, by the way, so it's
Hmm?
good. We did this for the mesh homework, so it's good that you can see that because you'll probably have to do it in the exam as well.
Sadly.
Yeah. Now let's do the super mesh. So we'll start here. So what's this?
We'll call this 2. So 2 I2 minus I1.
Exactly.
This is at I2 or
Yeah, I2, and then we're gonna go like this.
okay,
Now we're here.
I2 is, don't I write it first?
Yeah, we got I2 minus I1, yeah. That's
Okay,
number.
so I2 is equal to 2 I1, I mean I2 minus I1, yeah?
For this one, yeah. Now we go here. So this is 2 I2 minus I1. Now here.
This is all at I2, right? I2 is equal to?
No. This is just super mesh right now.
Okay, so I will just write
We're gonna do. They say this
SM
plus this plus
basically.
this plus this equals 0 because
Okay,
KVL.
okay. Yeah, okay. So I will just write SM. Super mesh is
Sure,
what?
yeah.
Is 2 times I2 minus I1. Bro, I
So-
hate in the class when he like skips mental steps. Like I need to do them, but he just like skips them so much. Okay, 2 I2 minus I1, and then let's go to the
yeah.
next one.
This one.
We're following I not, yeah? Not I2 because I2 is gonna go opposite.
Yeah, we're just going on the super mesh. That's all we're doing.
Okay. Okay, so then 2k, we'll call it 2k 2i2.
Yes. And then up there.
And then up there we have 1i3.
Yes. And then
And
go here.
then 6 plus 6.
Yeah, plus 6.
Yeah.
And then including voltage.
And then plus i3 or minus i3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like the resistance will always be plus, like this something times then the current. So the only thing I have to look at the sign is with this with the voltage. I guess the current. But remember, the current will only be outside, so the current will always give you the I right away. If it's inside, you just erase it, like we just did. Okay. So now we have.
Super mesh, yeah, we deleted it.
Yeah.
We just forgot about it basically.
Yeah. And then we need one more equation. You know what it is? Remember, we didn't find it before. We need Yassine to show it to us.
Oh, I don't remember. I want to check the notes. I wanted to know the number. So he
So
said we have to look at the directions, yeah? And then there is like the direction tells us
Tells us what?
that like I3 and I don't remember.
We need an equation relating I3 and I2. Like,
Okay, then we just write I3 and I2, yeah?
we want one equation with both of them in it right now. So what do you think this equation is? Try to look at the circuit and see, well, where are they related? Where are they touching, and what can you say about them? I'll give you a hint right now. Forget about the super mesh. Just look at the circuit as it is without the super mesh. Where are they touching, and how are they related?
For I2 and I3.
Yeah, for I2 and I3. Think about this. Where can you do this again? But for with I2,
I know.
Yeah, don't use I naught, but it's the same idea. Where are they touching? I2 and I3.
At I1 minus I2.
No, I2 and I3. Where are they touching? These ones.
These
Which?
two. If I'm looking at I2 and I3, I would say they're touching from, like you see on the right here, like two. We don't talk about 4MA or no?
Well, no, because I said no. Ignore
Yeah,
the super.
because we don't.
No, you can look at 4MA now if you want. The super mesh is just for the equation. Now, just look at the circuit as it is. Ignore
We
the
can
super.
use 4MA.
Yeah, here exactly, touching here.
Okay,
So,
I thought you said you can't use it, but yeah.
no, only ignore it while you're doing the super mesh. After you do the super mesh, خلاص, then it's completely open.
Okay,
Look,
okay.
remember how in nodal sometimes we did outside the node super node and inside the super node. Remember that? This is inside the super mesh. So what can you say about this? How can you connect I2 and I3 using this?
I will say 4MA, I2 minus I3, like this, or oh, I will call this 4MA, I2, what's it called? I3 minus I2, because I2 is going to like positive, and I3 is like going negative, I think. Like
So
you can see like the I3 is like is gonna hit 4MA from the right, and I2 is gonna hit 4MA from the left.
I think it's like this. Or basically
4 is equal to I3 minus I2, yeah?
yeah, I think so, yeah.
Wait, minus I2?
Or no, I2 minus I3, I think actually.
Yeah, because you can see the I2, how is it like hitting 4MA from the left?
Yeah.
And the I3 is going opposite of 4MA, so it will become negative.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, now we have everything we need. Now we will just like simplify our equations, plug in our numbers, and then we use the calculator to get.
Okay, so wait, let me just write it twice. Okay, so we said for super mesh, 2 I2 minus I1, and then you said what? We said the next thing is what? Plus 2 I2, yeah?
Yes.
2 I2, and then plus 1 I3. And then plus 6, and then plus 1 I3 again, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, all of it equal to 0. And then 2 times I2, we don't know what I2 is, so we just write 2 I2. And then 2 times I1, I1 is 2, so 2 times 2 is what? Minus 4.
2 times...
minus I1 is minus 4, so, and then plus 2 I2, and then plus 1 I3, and 1 I3 would give you what? 2 I3. 2 I3, and then equal, all of it equal to... and minus 4 and 6, both of them will go to the other side. It will become what? It will become negative 6 plus 4.
Yeah,
minus 2.
exactly.
Yeah, minus 2. Yeah, minus 2. And then 2i2. Yeah, 2i2 plus 2i2 will give us what? 4i2 plus 2i3 is equal to minus 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And as we said for the what? For the one without the like the one that inside, it will become what? 4 is equal to I2 minus I3.
Yeah, exactly. Now we can calculator.
Okay. So on the calculator, what do we put mod 5 or mod?
The same thing with nodals, the equation.
Okay. Wait.
Remember that? Yeah, just make sure like I2 is always X, I3 is always Y, and then the answer is Z, for example. Like
I2 is X. You mean I2 is B? I mean
or whatever it is. Like mine has X, Y, and Z. Or I don't know what mine has. Let me see.
X, Y, and Z basically. I'm saying the
Doesn't matter.
I2 will
A,
be.
B, X.
Huh?
It doesn't matter. For me, it's X and Y, but like it doesn't matter.
What did you write in the calculator?
I2, the second is always I, and the third one's the answer. Just so you're consistent.
Okay. Wait. So what did you write in the calculator? Can you tell me? Mod 5, the 2 dimensions or 3?
I don't know what yours has. What do you use to get to solve nodal?
It's sometimes it depends if we have like 3 or we have 2. In this case, we have 2, yeah?
Yeah, in this case we have two. So
Okay, so we'll put the 2. So for like A, B, C or X, Y, and Z, what is the first line? First line is X. It will become 4, yeah? 4i2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so 4 plus, and what's the Y? The Y is 2.
The Y is
And the C minus 2.
yeah, exactly. See.
Okay, and then the next line.
Wait, what will you put?
Huh?
Tell me what you put.
I didn't know. Wait. In my calculator, I'm in the first. Wait, I will show you quickly. I don't have a camera.
Yeah, very simple. Just think.
Huh?
Like just think about it. Like, the equation is I2 minus I3 equals 4. What did you do for the first equation, and then do it for the second one?
Just equate it to 0 then, and make negative. Make 4 inside.
No, don't. Use the same thing. I2
Okay, I2.
minus I3
And then
4. The same thing. Just A.
this is the same thing. Yeah, nothing.
Yes, same thing. See,
Yeah, but how is I2 considered like A or X basically?
because it's the first number you have in your equation.
So it does not mean like I2 has to always
No,
be.
it doesn't matter which one's which. Just make sure the first one is the same in every equation, the second one is the same in every equation, and the third one is the same in every equation. Doesn't matter. Like if you want, you can switch them out. You have minus I3 plus I2, and now I3 will be A. Just make sure in both of them A is the same thing, and in both of them B is the same thing. Just order you put them, as long as the sign and with the position. That's all.
Okay, I got I2 is equal to 1, and
Mhm.
I3 is equal to negative 3.
Yes, exactly. And now what's what I not?
Huh?
So what?
I naught is I1 minus I2, which is 2 minus 1.
Yes.
2
That's
minus 1.
correct.
So I naught is equal to 2 minus 1.
We
Huh?
we did something wrong. Let's see. Or let me check. I remember one of the problems was wrong. So let me see. Let me check my notes because I'm problem. Let me check my notes.
Super mesh technique. Oh, they didn't use super mesh here, did they?
They did. Well, I don't know what they did, but like let me just see what. That's all that matters.
2 minus 1 plus 2 over 3. Yeah, bro, I also want to ask you what happened. You said you need to go at 12. Like, well, you have something or just like family,
Yeah,
family iftar? Like,
no, just like have something. That's all.
you mind telling me what that is? No, I'm not like trying to pry. I'm just like asking what activities do you do? Because
Well, it's not
I can't
like-
like play football and like try to work out gym.
No, it's not an activity. Just like my own my dad's gonna borrow my laptop, so like So I won't have my laptop. That's
Oh, that's nice. You're very kind.
thank you.
You're the goat, bro.
I am not the goat.
Yes, you are, bro.
Odum is the goat.
You then listen.
Okay, mm, what did they do? What is this? It's,
Wow,
what?
I wish I
My,
had a
my,
laptop.
my
Wallah,
note,
like
my,
my computer is dying.
what's dying?
I'm saying I wish I had a laptop. I have this iPad. It's like too old. It's not even work, bro. Barely.
Why don't you get a laptop?
I need to go buy one, bro. Too broke. I imagine I didn't have one
Have,
laptop the whole 2 years in uni using an iPad.
there's no way you're broke. You have ChatGPT Plus.
About ChatGPT plus me and like 6 people sharing one account.
Oh,
we're like so we can so you can like make it as cheap as possible.
I see.
Like it's I think 80 no 79 dirhams.
Is
And
it?
like
Oh, the dirhams. I said dollars. Yeah, the dirhams. Yeah, okay.
yeah, so 79 divided by 6, everybody pays $13.
Okay.
Like 13 dirhams, it's still
Can I,
still too much, like
now
for
get more
six
people
months.
to get the other one.
Huh?
Now get more people and get.
The ChatGPT will be like, yo, ChatGPT, how are you? He'll be like, yo, Ahmed, how are you? I'm not Ahmed.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, of course.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Two. Two. Okay, let me mention my system here. So we have. Oh, I think I know what happened.
Tell me what happened.
I think we went the wrong way.
So my I2 is wrong. That's the thing.
No, like you see how we went like this, but like the circle loops are all like this, so we went the wrong way, I guess.
Mm.
So it'll be like reverse, actually, or like, I think maybe just look. That's what I'm just gonna change 6 to -6, and I'll see if it fixes it. Because now I fix it. I'll change 6 to -6. That might fix a lot of problems. Oh, and one other thing, we over here we ignored I1 at this one. That's another.
Ignored it? How?
Because we just did we did one I3 and one I3 for these ones. Remember, but one of them is times by I3 minus I1. That's not a mistake. Because look, you see how it's touching both I3 and I1 for the super mesh. So
Wait,
we
I3 and I1? Yeah, it's also
this one.
touching I1.
Yeah, it's touching both, right? It's touching I3 and I1. So we're supposed to do I3 minus I1, but all we did was I3.
Okay, then if we did that, what will happen?
And 6
So,
becomes minus. Let me see if that fixes everything or not. Because we're supposed to go clockwise. So we're going to go in from the minus terminal. It's going to be -6. Everything else will be the same, but we have to include the I3 minus I1 for that one guy we ignored. So just make those fixes, and then I think we'll get the right answer afterwards. Minus. Okay, I got the right answer. That was the problem.
You have the answer?
Yeah, it's minus 4 over 3. Like that's I naught. So do you see our mistake? Or do I need to show you?
Okay. So where do we change? What do we change? So first is the mistake at the super mesh?
Yeah, basically,
Okay.
the,
Okay. We'll just
the
delete this.
first mistake we went the opposite direction. We're supposed to go like this. Oh no, sorry, no. Let's do it. I did it again. We were supposed to go like this.
Oh, from here.
Yeah. So you see how we entered from the minus? We had plus 6 if you remember. But we went from the we're supposed to go in from the minus.
Okay. Okay. So
The
wait. Let me
mistake.
just delete everything again. Okay.
No,
So
no, no, no,
delete.
no. No, wait, wait, no, 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 wait. Everything correct, except 6 has to be minus 6, and for one of the I3s, it has to be 1 times by I3 minus I1 for this one. Everything else is correct. Just make those two small fixes and everything will be correct.
So rather than this becoming, okay. So this is I mean 1 I3, not
Yes.
plus 6. It will become minus 6.
Yeah, minus 6.
And
And
then
not one of the I3s.
not plus 1 I3. It will become what? It will become 1 times I3 minus I1
Yes.
equal to 0. Okay, so when we solve it again, all of it fully, let me just like try before you say it. Okay, so it's first of all it's correct, yeah. 4 is equal to I2 minus I3.
4 is equal to. Yeah, that's correct. That one no change.
I2 minus I3. Okay, so first one is what? 2 times I2 will give us what? 2I2. So 2I2. And then 2 times I1 will give us what? Minus 4. And then plus 2I2, yeah? And then plus 1I3, yeah? And then minus 6.
Yeah.
And then plus 1 times I3 will give us what? 1I3, yeah?
Minus.
And then minus 1 times minus 2 will give us just minus 2 equal to 0.
Yes,
Okay,
exactly.
so 2I2 plus 2I2 will give us what? 4I2. And then minus 4 plus minus 6 plus minus 2 will give us what? Give us 10. I mean, no,
Negative.
12.
Yeah.
Negative 12. So all of it will be equal to negative 12, like equal to positive 12.
Mm-hmm.
And then I3, 1I3 minus what? Minus 1I3 will cancel.
No, it's I3. No, it's 1. It's 1 plus 1. I3 is still positive.
No,
It's just
plus 1I3 and then minus 1I3 plus 1I3. Yeah, it's also plus, my bad. So this will become what? 2I3.
yeah, the left side.
2I3.
The left side of the equation didn't change. We just had to fix the right. Hmm?
Yo, hello.
Yeah, the left.
My bad. Yeah. So I was saying, yeah. So this will equal all to 12.
Yeah.
And then we just so 4 I12, 2 I13, and then okay. And then we just open the calculator. We write what? We write mod 5 1, and then for the first one we write 4 plus 2 equal to 12.
Yeah.
What? And then what? And then 1 minus 1.
Yeah.
4.
Yes.
We'll get our I3. I3 will equal. I mean I2 will equal to 3.33.
Yeah.
And I2 will equal to what?
What did you get?
No, I'm
You mean
asking you.
what?
Huh?
I2 is 3.3333.
And I3 is negative.
Mm-hmm.
Negative 0.6666.
Mine's in fractions, but I think you're right.
Yeah, it's in fractions. Minus 2
Yeah.
over 3 basically.
Yeah, exactly.
Minus 2 over 3, and the other one is 10 over 3.
Yeah.
Okay. And now what? Now
Why did I not?
now 10 over 3 minus 2 over 3.
No. What's I1?
Oh my bad, I1, yeah. I wrote I2. So I1, it's the answer is what? I naught is I1 minus I2, yeah?
Yeah.
I1 is 2. 2 minus 10 over 3.
Yeah, exactly.
10 over 3 will give you what? 2 bracket 1, 2 minus 10 over 3. Minus 4 over 3?
Yes, exactly. That's the solution here.
Down, down.
No, it's up here. Yeah, here it is.
Okay, MA.
And this is the next problem.
Bro,
I think
we took so much time for 2 questions, or is this good?
no, it's fine. I think. I mean, we did one, right? No, no way. Source transformation will be fast anyway, so we can take our time with Nodo. There's this one, and there's looks like this one as well.
Mm-hmm. Want
Yes.
to do them?
Yeah, student.
Yep. Okay. So what's this? Okay, let me draw this quickly.
So
Keep it like this, yeah, so you don't
Yeah.
draw. Yeah, okay. So this one wants find V naught. And where is V naught in this? V naught is at the open circuit.
Yeah.
Okay, so first dependent, which is like a diamond shape in the C
Yeah.
plus if you think about it.
Is it? What do you mean?
Diamond shape means true or false, and
Oh,
and
is it?
and like programming.
Oh, like that chart thing.
Basically. Why am I speaking like as if I know it? I don't know what I'm gonna get in that midterm.
Over.
Huh?
At least it's over.
It's over until the marks come. But I haven't slept yesterday probably. Like I was like thinking. He told I to ask him when is the grades gonna come. He said the same day. It's still not out. Maybe
Really?
it's out now. Let me check. Oh God. He sent an email.
I'm expecting fluid this weekend, but I don't want to see it.
Huh?
I'm expecting fluid this weekend, but I don't want to see it.
The grade?
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll just try harder. Even if I did bad, I'll just try harder next time.
Allah. It actually looks like it'll be easier. It actually looks like this will be easier. Because there's only 2 loops. Or I guess 3. There's I3, but it's 0. But I guess you can include it because we're going to need it later.
اللهم اجعل خير بس. I'm like calculating the grades now in my head. It's so bad.
You saw the grade?
No, I'm calculating just because he's still not put it out. Just like putting the minimum max.
Oh, like you're estimating?
I hate this. Well, I swear. Like, this is like every semester. I hate when I have to start calculating.
Don't do that then.
You have to, so you can
Why?
know. Huh?
Why do you have to?
I mean, let's say. I mean, because you're too smart, bro. You don't know the struggling level. You don't know the struggle.
I get bad. I don't try to calculate them in advance.
I mean, so you know to focus more, or does it make you hate it more? What does it do? If you know, like you did bad in something and you keep on calculating it.
Yeah, sure. Like if I do bad, I want to do better. But like if I know I did bad, I don't need a number. Class, I did bad. I don't need to know how bad I did. خلاص, I did bad. I need to do better. خلاص. It doesn't matter what happened.
It's nice. So you just like make it a surprise until all the grades come out, and then you get shocked. You didn't plan ahead.
Like I'll look at my grade, but I won't try to predict it. I'll just خلاص. I know I did bad. Fine.
I see your point, but it's also kind of like sad, you know. Let's say you failed the course and you already signed up for next semester, and then you have to like recheck all the classes before everything they took. Like let's say like some of the hard level, yeah.
I don't know, like, I feel like if you're failing a course you know in advance, you won't need to predict anything. You'll know if you're failing. Like, I think it's, like,
I understand. Inshallah, nothing like that happens. Okay.
I don't know.
Bro, I know in the exam he's not gonna give us a question saying use mesh or no. He's gonna just put a circuit and like try to solve it. He'll be like,
Well, maybe that's technically better for you because you can use mesh or node for any circuit anyway. Apparently, according to him,
according
like
to
you never have to use mesh only or nodal only. Like you can usually use both for any circuit. Like remember, even though you can practice for mesh using nodal problems and nodal using mesh problems.
yeah, that's what he does to us.
And it's good. Like that means you won't be stuck. Like if you even know just one method, it's better for you to have it open. Like what's bad is if he tells you use mesh and you don't know how to use mesh, as that's where there's a problem.
Yeah, like use only source transformation in this question, but you know you can solve it with nodal easy.
Exactly, that's what you get to know all the methods. But like if you leave it open, it's actually good for you. If you leave it open.
But also we don't know, so maybe it could be help. Did you draw it?
Oh, yeah, I drew it.
Like I want to check this summer 2015. Let me open electric engineering and see who was teaching in summer 2015. Wow, what a surprise. What? It's not Nasser Hamdan. Nasser Qaddoumi, I mean.
Nasser Hamdan.
Nasser Hamdan is physics trauma, another guy.
Nasser Hamdan.
I don't want to know about him. What? He was not teaching at summer 2015? What about fall 2015? Let me check. Electrical engineering. Circuits 1. Nasser Nidal Jawdat Qaddoumi. Yes, he was teaching in fall. Maybe he took a small break. Oh my god. How could he? Let me check spring. Spring 2015. Why is there a break? He broke his streak, bro.
I mean, I don't think you want to teach one class like 100 times in a row.
He teached it 100 times in a row. Bro, like he didn't do summer that semester. Let me check that summer then. 2000. Let me check like random, like 2019. 19 summer 1. Let's see. Electrical engineering. Circuits 1. No. Oh, he does not teach summer.
Maybe he doesn't like
Wait,
do something.
let me check summer 2025. Electrical engineering. No, this is like summer 1. Summer 1, 2025. Did he cheat it? He did.
Summer?
Yeah, 2025.
It feels so bad. Like, why would you want to teach this in summer? It's so bad.
It's actually like summer, you know, they're so lenient in grading.
Are they?
You can like pass a course easier. Yeah. Especially if it's like a long course like physics. Like my friends, they all took with a doctor in physics too. They all like passed easily. And
What did they fail before, or like that's a surprise?
huh?
Is that a surprise that they passed, or what?
Because no, it's like every time he curves. He curves after every midterm. He curves after every quiz. He curves. He curves. Like increases the out. And then it wasn't that hard for them to pass.
I feel like it's still not worth it to go do summer, or, like even for a curve. Like
If you don't do a summer, you don't want to do any summers. I didn't do it.
I am gonna do some. I don't want to do it.
But I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do my first summer now. I didn't do it last semester because I was depressed. I needed a break.
I don't want to become depressed by doing a summer.
It's okay, but yeah, let's do it.
I got an answer. What?
You got an answer?
Yeah, but it's completely wrong. So let's just do it again.
You were solving without me, bro. How dare you, bro? How dare you?
I was going to get advanced, so I can explain without having to do it at the same time, but I was wrong anyway, so.
You were talking to me and solving? Damn.
Yeah, but I got it wrong. Yes.
Am I that uninteresting?
No, but I was listening to you. Maybe I was listening too much that I got that problem wrong. I don't know.
Damn. So you're saying like because if you listen to me, you got it wrong? No, just what am I? A jealous girlfriend? Okay, so first I won. We have what? We have independent. We have a
I
dependent
asked
source. Yeah?
wrong in the beginning.
Huh?
I had Vx here, so I was doomed to fail from the start.
Why?
Because I wrote this as Vx, but it's 2Vx, so I had the wrong number from the very beginning.
Yeah,
So I was
but I1, yeah. So you say I1 is equal to 2.
no. For the loop, like
Okay.
minus 2Vx plus the usual stuff. But I wrote Vx.
Okay, we
So
have I1 and I2, and we can call I3 0, yeah? I3 equal to 0.
yeah.
Okay, so what's our I1?
We don't know. We have to do the loop. We don't know what it is.
And our I2, we don't know it, yeah, also.
Yeah.
But our I3, we know it's equal to 0.
Yeah, that's the only one we know, but we have to do the rest of them.
Okay, so what's I1 and I2? So first one is what? 4 is equal to I1 minus I2.
But let's start here. So minus 2Vx.
How do you know where to start from?
It doesn't matter where to start, but like I don't know. I just chose to start here. It doesn't matter. You can start here as well or here, or you cannot.
Okay, so minus 2Vx
Mm-hmm.
plus 2 1i,
Yeah.
2I1 I mean,
Yeah.
and then the Vx plus Vx or no need? The one
No,
middle.
telling us what it is. We
Huh?
don't need. It's just telling us that this is Vx. Doesn't matter right now.
Okay. And then plus 4I2 minus I1 or I1 minus
Which one is it?
I2? I1 minus I2.
Yes.
I1 minus I2.
Yes.
Plus 4I1. I will immediately solve it. So 4 times I1 will give us just I1 plus 4I2, yeah?
4
Minus.
I1. What?
4I1.
4
4
I.
times I1 minus I2, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so minus 4I2 it will become.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then the next one is we go back to the same thing. Okay, so we're back to
Wait.
minus.
All right. Write down the equation and so right now you have 6I1 minus 4I2 minus Vx equals 0, right? Something like that. Like if you combine 4I1 and
Let's say
2I1,
it's 6I1
yeah, minus 4I2
minus 4I2
minus 2Vx, right? That's what you have.
minus 2Vx, and then I take the 2Vx to the other side.
But first, I think we can express Vx as I1 and I2. Look, so this is Vx, right? This potential difference. This is our V. So what's our IR? Our IR is 4 times
IR
5.
is equal to volt over resistance.
4
No, I
times 1.
mean I is equal to what? VR. VR is equal to what? Volt times resistance. So
No,
and then in this case, why don't we don't have the voltage, right? So V is equal to I over R.
IR, not I over IR.
IR. So I is what current? Our current is what? Where is
Look,
it written?
try to use directions maybe.
Huh?
Try to use direction maybe, because it should
Direction.
be done like this. So which one's going? Which current is going like this?
Going down.
Yeah, which one's going down?
The 2Vx.
No, like which current of these two is going down? I1 or I2? Which one's going down like this?
I1.
Yeah. So I'm thinking we should say Vx is equal to 4 I1 minus I2.
Vx is equal to 4 I1 minus I2.
I think. So then if we add, and then we can plug it in to our equation.
Give me a second, let me just walk around. I'm starting to feel lazy, sleepy.
What?
Okay,
What was that?
needed to take out some energy. Okay, so again, as we stopped at what? We stopped at after saying 6 I1 minus 4 I2 is equal to 2Vx, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then what did you do? And then we already originally said I3 is equal to 0. And then when you told me what? We have to know what Vx is, right?
Yeah, we do.
So at Vx is basically what? How did you know that Vx is? Because at Vx is it basically I is equal to Vr, right?
Yeah. I just said V equals
Yeah.
I.
So we rewrote it. We wrote what? Vx is equal to I times I is equal to Vr. But we rewrote it as what? As V is equal to I times R.
Yeah.
Okay. So our I is what? Is I1.
Or what's I1?
I1?
No, it's not only I1, because look, we have I1 like this, but we also have I2 like this, right?
So what is it?
It's, I have it Vx equals 4 I1 minus I2. That's what I think it is.
4I1.
4 and then brackets I1 minus I2.
Wait, can you
Let's
write
think
it?
with the 4.
Wait, because what I wrote is this 6 1x minus 4. I mean 6 1 1 6 I2 6 I1 minus 4 I2 is equal to 2 Vx, and I wrote Vx is equal to I equal to Vr, and V is equal to IR. Just to
But
like to
well,
remember like
I
this.
is VR, by the way. It's V equals IR. I is V over R.
Okay, so
But it doesn't matter. You want V equals IR anyway. It doesn't matter. So what's our
V
R?
is equal to
4K.
IR.
And our I
I
is
over R, right? Or R over R. Yeah.
V equals IR.
I over R.
IR. V equals IR.
I times R. And what about resistance?
Like, look.
Resistance is equal to what?
4.
I mean R is equal
Ignore
to
this circuit. We're done with this. This is what I wrote.
Vx is equal to I times R, and our R is 4 I2 I1 minus I2, no?
Yeah, that's what
And
I
then
have.
what? That's what you wrote?
Yeah, this is what I wrote. This is our R.
Okay.
I.
So it's the same thing, but okay. So Vx is equal to 4 I1 minus I2.
That's what I have.
So yeah, I1 minus I2. And then this will give us what? Will give us 4 I1 minus 4 I2, the same thing.
What do you mean?
Okay, then what?
Now plug it in to where Vx is into our equation.
I think I'm gonna close Island. I just don't want to keep on opening the email, checking the, checking if you put the thing.
Don't check it. It's not productive right now. Just don't check it.
Yeah, it's not at all.
You're stressing yourself out for nothing. The matter is done. There's nothing you can do now. Sleep. Let it be.
That's it. You can just keep going forward.
Just keep on forward. Exactly.
Keep on what?
Going forward.
Yeah. I have the near you. Okay. So 4 I1 minus I2. Then what?
Now plug it in and solve a bit. You should get something times I2 equals I1. Just plug it in and solve a bit and tell me what you get.
Plug it in what?
Into Vx, this relation we just got. For loop 1, enter this Vx wherever you see Vx. Like enter this, and then solve a bit and like simplify and solve whatever, and then you should get a relation between I1 and I2.
Okay, so it was 6 I1 minus 4 I2, right? Then
Yes.
2 will multiply the 2 by what? By 4 multiplied by basically 4 I1 minus 4 I2. And then 2 times 4 I1 will give us what?
8.
8. 8 I1, yeah?
Well, yeah.
And
8.
then 2 times minus 4 will give us minus 8
Mm-hmm.
I2. Okay.
Now bring everything to one side.
Okay. So then
Or like if you want to bring all the I1s to one side and all the I2s on the other side. Because we only have I1 and I2, we have no numbers, if you notice.
so I1 will I1 equal to I2 then?
No, not directly, but they have a relation.
So you mean they put the I1s in one side and I2s in one side, you mean?
Yeah. I1s on one side and I2s on the other. Do that and tell me what you get.
I1 minus 4 I2, and then, okay, so I'll take this 6 I1 to the other side, it becomes 6 minus 8, it becomes 2 I1 minus, and then this minus will become what? Will become positive, so minus 8, that's what will become minus 4 I2. And then what?
Keep going.
Then what? Equal
You,
to
you, keep going until you get something times I2 equals I1. Just keep going.
What?
Yeah, like everything will simplify down to something times I2, like a number times I2. Like for example, 5I2 equals I1. You get something like that. You
No,
won't
no,
get.
bro. Okay, where did you stop at now? Because I stopped at here at 6I1 minus 4I2. Wait, what? Yeah. Because I took the 6I1 and 8I1, I put them in one side, it became 2I1.
Okay, and what do you have on the other side?
And the other side I have minus 4I2. That's it.
Now, you have 2I1 equals minus 4I2,
Yeah.
or on the same side.
No, no, different side.
So read to me exactly what you have.
2I1 is equal to minus 4I2.
That's very weird because I have 2I1 equals 4I2. Like I have the same sign.
What do you mean?
Like I have 2I1 equals 4I2. Like they're not minus.
Because it's minus 4, right? You'll take the
Well,
minus 4
because
to
the
the
thing
other
is,
side. What will happen?
I did 6I1 minus 4I2 minus 2VX. Like I kept them all together. I didn't do equals 2VX, but that shouldn't matter. You should look at the same number.
Yeah,
Like
but you have to expand it, no? Vx is what? Vx is basically 4I1 minus 4I2.
yeah, I know. Yeah, look. So I have 6I1 minus 4I2 minus 8I1 minus I2.
8I2, yeah. And then,
Well,
and
for me
then,
it's negative 8 because I still had minus 2VX. I didn't move it across like you did. I have negative 8. Okay?
if you take 8 to the 8, 1, wait, just flip the places of minus 4, 1I2, and flip the place 8I1 to
Look,
the left,
look,
basically.
I think the easiest thing is I'll just take a picture and show you what I did, and you can tell me if compare it with what and see if
I'll
we got.
also send you what I did, basically.
Okay, or you send me what you did, sure.
Yeah, sure. Abu Bakr. See this here? This last three parts. 6I1 minus 4I2 is equal to 2. Is equal to 2 times 4I1 minus 4I2. And then you just rewrite them. They take them to the other side. Minus 8 plus 4, 8I2. 4I2. You can change it to minus, you will just decrease the minus 8, make it minus 4.
Sure, I'm looking at it, okay?
Huh?
Just 1 second, I'm looking at it.
Is mine wrong? Please tell me.
What's happening?
I'm just hitting the trash can. Can you hear it?
Very loud. Yeah, you have a sign mistake, look.
Where? You tell me.
Like, look in the second last line that you wrote.
Okay, I will look. So it was originally what? 6I1 minus 4I2, yeah?
Look,
Is equal to,
add 8I2 to both sides and tell me what you get. One.
you know what I did? I just wait. Huh?
If you
Bro,
add 8I2 to
because
both,
I mean, I took I2 to the right and I took the I1 on the left, to the left. Isn't that the right way?
look, no, I'll tell you, look. If you try adding 8I2 to both sides and subtract 6I1 from both sides, you'll get both positives. Try that.
Okay.
Wait, in the last step.
So I will decrease 6I1 in the left side.
Both sides do subtract six. Look, let's do one by one. Add 8I2 to both sides right now. Look, delete the last line you have and
Okay.
add 8I2 to both sides.
It will cancel the one on the left and make the minus 4I2 to positive, basically.
Yeah. And then so
So
do
you
that
mean,
when you don't tell
wait,
me.
you mean add 8I2 to right and left side, yeah?
Yeah, you have to. So you
Okay,
don't.
so it became 1I2
One I2?
plus 4I2.
No, oh yeah, how 1I2? Oh yeah, oh yeah, 1I2 equals wait, you have
6I1, I mean 6I1. 6I1 plus
6I1,
4I2
yeah, equals.
equals 8I1.
Now subtract 6I1 from both sides.
Okay.
Aren't they both positive now? 6 to subtract 6 I1.
8 I2
No,
left side. I'm just writing and
okay.
subtract.
Well, you're adding 8 I2 to both
Subtract.
sides.
I mean, yeah, add. Yeah. Not subtract. Add positive 8 I2 and add.
And subtract 6 I1 from both sides.
No, subtract. Yeah. Subtract 6. 6. Subtract 6 I1 on both sides. So this becomes what? It becomes 4 I2 is equal to minus 2?
No, positive. How minus?
No, I mean positive 2 I1.
Yeah, exactly. 4 I2 equals positive 2 I1.
2 I1. Bro.
See, that's what I got. Like, I think it's a sign mistake because you got the same thing but with a minus, which, like I just showed you from your work, it's supposed to be positive.
My God!
What was that?
I was just venting some frustration.
It's okay. We've all been there. Sometimes I do need to just.
Hello?
Yeah, hi.
What happened?
I don't know, like you're like shouting and it keeps cutting
Maybe I
your
broke the
voice.
sound barrier. What's the speed? 3,600.
I forgot.
Something.
Something like that. I forgot. I can't remember.
Okay, then now what?
Well, now you see how we have 2I2 equals I1.
2I equals what?
2I2 equals I1, right?
2I1, you mean?
No, 2I2. No, look. Did you have 4I2 equals 2I1?
Yeah.
Yes, so just divide by 2.
Divide by 2. The right side?
Anything you do has to be both sides. You don't change the equation. Anything you do in math, you have to do sides.
Okay, then we change, divide 2 by what?
So divide 4 by 2 and divide 2 by 2. You get. You're just simplifying.
Okay, so this will become what? This will become 2I2 is equal to I1.
Exactly. So now you see how we have now we know what I1 is, right? I1 is
equal to 2I2.
yeah. So now look, we're gonna do loop 2, and after we're done, wherever we see I1 will plug in I2. Then we'll have one equation and one unknown for I2. Okay. So let's do loop 2. Go back.
Open the thing so you can see.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay. Let's do loop 2.
okay, so at loop 2.
Let's start here.
Huh? Yeah.
Let's.
So minus 3.
Mm-hmm.
Do I write it? Loop 2. Loop 2.
And then this is I3. Okay.
Loop.
That's 0.
1. Okay, loop 2 is equal to minus 2. Not minus 2, yeah.
Minus 3.
3, I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Minus 3 plus 6 I2
Yeah.
minus 0, yeah.
Yeah. Minus 0.
So 6 times I2 minus 0, and then what? Plus 4 I2 minus I1.
Yes.
4 times I2 minus I1, yeah.
Yeah. And then that's it.
And then equal it to 0.
Yes.
Okay, so minus 3, we'll just leave it by itself for now. And then 6 times I2 will give us what? 6 I2 plus minus 0. And then plus 4 I2. What's 4 I2? It's just 4 I2. And then minus 4 times minus 1. What did we say? Minus 1? Minus 1 is 2L2, right?
Minus 1 is
2L2. So minus 4 times minus 2 will give us 8. I mean, no.
Why are you doing times 2?
Huh?
Why are you doing times 2?
Because L1 is equal to 2L2.
What? Sorry?
Didn't we write 4 times L2 minus L1?
What's L2? Wait, what's L2?
I2, I mean I2.
No, this is 4I2 minus I1, right? That's it.
4I2 minus I1.
Yeah, that's it. Don't times 2 for anything. That's it. For
Okay,
maybe
so
you're confusing with 2Vx because Vx is was equal to 4 I1.
Yeah, I'm saying what is now we don't we know I1 now?
Yeah, we do. So look. So first, let's simplify the equation, right?
Okay, let's simplify the version. يلا. Just say.
So I have minus 4i1 plus 10i2 equals 3. Is that what you have?
Minus four. Where did you start from, bro?
I just no. Like I just combined everything. Like we had minus 3 plus 6i2
Okay.
plus like take all that stuff and bring it and then like make an equation.
Okay, I want you to solve it step by step so we can see like where we're stuck at.
Yeah, that's what we're doing. So we have minus 3, right? Minus 3
Yeah, minus 3
plus
plus
6i2
6i2
and
plus.
then plus 4i2 minus i1, right?
Yeah, minus. Not minus 4i1, yeah?
Yeah,
We will
plus
solve it
4i2
first,
minus
no?
i1.
Don't we solve it as I1?
No, first just keep it as it
Okay,
is.
خلاص, I'll keep it
Plug
as
it
it
in
is.
later.
So 4i1.
Because if you plug it in early, you might get confused. But
Okay,
better
so
just keep it the same and
4i1. Okay, no problem. 4i1.
okay. So,
Okay,
so
then the 3 will go to the other side. All of it will be equal to 3.
yeah,
Okay, and then 6i2 and 4i2 will become what? Will
10i2.
become 10i2.
Yeah,
10i2. 10i2 minus 4i1.
yeah, exactly. So now we can plug in 2i2 where you see i1. So we'll have
Okay.
minus 8
Okay,
i2
so minus 4 times 2 will give us what? Will
minus
give
8.
us minus 8. So minus 8 L2. Minus 8 L2 is
You know.
equal to 3. And then 10 I2. And the other will become what? Will become 2 I2 is equal to 3.
Yes.
Okay, now what? Now we find V naught.
Now we know what i2 is, right?
We know I1 and we know
So
I2.
what did you get for i2?
I2 I got 3. Now I will have to divide 2, right? 3 by
Yeah.
2. So 3 divided by 2 will equal to 1.5.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
I2 is equal to 1.5.
And now we just do KVL like before in this last loop here with i3 equals 0. And it's very
Okay.
short. It's only two terms,
Okay,
right? So
so
that's
yeah, so V naught is equal to what? Can we see I2 minus I1? Or no? How
look.
did we remember how we found out what was it called?
Yeah.
I naught? I naught we know.
Oh,
How
I
do we
not.
know that
No,
I
but
naught?
that's what's current. This is different. Keep in mind
Okay,
what
so volt. So how do you know what's
this is V
V
naught.
V naught?
V naught. We're going from the plus V naught and then plus 6 times I2 or times I3 minus I2. That's it.
I3 minus I2. Yeah, I3 minus I2.
But I3 is 0, so
Yeah, so just I2.
yeah,
Okay, then
exactly.
so what do we write? We write V naught is equal to, or no, we write V naught plus V naught plus 6k
V naught
minus
plus 6k times.
V naught plus 6 6 times I2,
Yes, and then that's it.
and then equal it to 0,
Oh no, sorry, no,
and then 6
I3
I2.
minus I2.
Huh?
Sorry, I meant 6 I3 minus I 6 times I3 minus I2.
Yeah, but I3 is 0, so just write I2.
No, but it's different because now because it'll be this means it'll be 6 times minus I2 because it's going to be 6 times 0 minus I2.
6 I2, 6 I3, it will become 6 I3 minus I2, yeah?
Yes.
6 I3
Okay, it's not the
minus
same because
I2
look,
is equal to
if you do
0.
it like this and this is 0, then this would be oh my god, this is a mess. So this would be equal to minus 6 I2, right?
Mm.
But if you just took it as 6 I2 from the beginning, you get positive, right? So it's different.
Mm-hmm.
It's not the same. So you have to consider the I3.
Okay.
So you don't get a sign mistake.
So 6
Okay?
times 0 will become 0, and then 6 times minus I2, we know I2 is what? 1.5. So 6 times 1.5 will make it 6 times 1.5, 9.
Let's hope this is
Huh?
let's hope this is right.
So V naught plus 9 equals 0.
V naught this should be V naught equals 9, right? 6 times 1.5.
V naught plus 9 equals 0.
No, V naught equals 9. That's it.
Yeah, we'll take 9 to the other side. Or
Why? We want V naught. That's it. V naught equals 9.
yeah, how did you wait? Is it originally V naught plus 6 I3 minus I2 or V naught equals?
Yes, V naught plus 6 I3 minus I2.
Okay,
Should be V naught
then
minus 6 I2. So you can add it to the other side. You get V naught equals 6 I2.
wait, you took the V naught to the other side?
No. I mean I'll show you. Like this just delete all this. it's like this.
Yeah, the race, basically. Why is it taking so much longer?
I think everything would have just been faster.
Yeah, just put the eraser, I guess. Take it,
I can't do anything now. I have to wait for this to finish.
bruh. Why is it like
Can I like undo? Control.
close it and open it, I think. It's okay. Okay, so V0 plus 6i3 minus i2 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
And then we take the 6i3 minus i2 to the other side.
Yeah, because look,
And then all of the answer will become negative 9, I think.
it won't look.
3 minus
Oh, sorry. Ignore this 6.
I2.
And this is 0. We have V0. Multiply this. It's minus 6i2 equals 0. So then V0. Then add this across.
Wait, VO is equal to minus. Wait, what?
Because this is 0, right? 0 minus
Minus 6
i2.
times minus, I would make it minus 6i2 is
Yeah.
equal to 0. And
So
you make it V0 to the other side, it become what? It
oh
become
no,
positive.
the 6 to the other side. I'm adding the 6 to the other side.
Okay, so it became 6 positive, yeah. So 6i2. And
And
then
this,
V0 is equal to 9.
yeah, so V0 should be equal. Now whether it actually is 9 or not, we'll see. Please be 9.
Swear to God.
Yes, okay, sorry.
Let's go.
Okay, good. Okay, look, let's take the pre-answer and then we can do the last mesh problem, okay?
Sure.
Okay, so I'll see you in a few minutes, inshallah.
Take it down.
Hello, Rashid.
Yo.
Sorry, I took so long and my dad wants to use my laptop now. Sorry.
شو
Uh,
زين يا حبيبي.
he needs my laptop now.
Yeah, no problem. It's okay.
But it's okay because with only one problem left and the source is very quick. Like we can finish all those quickly, maybe tomorrow or something, and yeah, like we can combine nodal and then that one problem for mesh and source. Like we can do it in 2 hours, I'm sure.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
so what do you want to do now? Nothing or?
Well, I won't have my laptop anymore. I'm gonna give it to him.
You
I'm
want me
gonna
to open my share
break
screen?
by that. I was using the bathroom, so that took forever.
No, no problem. It's okay. Boy, I am not. I don't control your life. You want to do something, you can do it. Yeah. So take your time as much as you need. But I appreciate you even just coming. It's like too much of you. Okay, so I think I understand mesh now. I understand nodal. And you're gonna go, or can we like do the last one?
If you can share it, we can do the last problem before I go. If you can share it, because I won't be able to share it anymore. Okay. But anyway, I'll be right back. 3 minutes. I have to give my laptop now, and I'll pray and I'll come back. Okay. Just a
Is
second.
in pray?
Yeah, I was in the bathroom all this time.
Oh, what happened? Are you okay? You
Okay.
good?
So, no way, the praying will be fast. Just the bathroom takes a long time.
No, I'm
Okay.
saying, are you good? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm a bit in a rush. Okay, I have to give my laptop quickly. Okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
no problem. Take your time.
this. This is crazy. A wild African cat that is also the second fastest cat in the world is being so incredibly friendly right now. Like, look at this. This is crazy. She's like a rag doll. It's like she's possessed. Hi there, pretty girl. Yes, I know. You're in heat, and guess what? We're going to take you over to your new boyfriend. Look at this. Not new boyfriend, but old boyfriend. You're getting reunited. So look at those eye spots like I was telling you guys before. These eye spots are if a predator... Hey, it's a dog. You lost? No. Hey, give me a little talk.
Impossible. I couldn't sense him at all. What did he say? Impossible. I couldn't sense him at all. What did he say?
Those in the... Wait.
Impossible. I couldn't sense him at all. What did he say? Don't tell me. Who's that child on your shoulder? You must know each other to be like that. But maybe it would be best to remove...
Man, so... Pretend like the final exam doesn't exist. I know that sounds crazy, but I've carried this mindset with...
Hello?
You.
So sorry.
How are you? You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay, can you... What's that last problem?
And
And
5, yeah?
7.
Oh, and
And
7.
7.
Okay. I wanted to ask you tomorrow, you want to do, what's it called?
We can do source... We can start with source transformation because we didn't do it yet. And then we can do nodal maybe.
It's not
How
N7.
about that?
It's N6, yeah?
6?
I think
Oh, sorry, yeah, 7 was source transformation, yeah. That's
the
6.
7 is the last lesson, I think.
7 is, yeah, 7 is the last lesson that's included. Yeah, right. Probably at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, just like screenshot it and put it somewhere else so we don't like cheat.
Yeah, sure.
And if not even like, why don't you just like work on it so I can see what you're doing exactly? Like you're on an iPad, right?
Yeah.
So just like do your work on the iPad so then I can easily see what you're doing. That'll be easy, right?
That's
If you,
good.
it's comfortable for you. If you don't like to write on the iPad, that's fine.
Sure,
Like,
we
you want,
draw,
like
draw it here. You want to draw it here?
what?
We draw it here. On the
Like
iPad.
like to draw your work, I mean.
Yeah, I'm using the mouse of the iPad just like to move.
Oh, okay, like you don't like a pen.
The pen is, I don't know, I didn't charge it. I
Oh,
forgot.
okay, it's fine. And just write in your book then.
I will write it in both book and. I will draw it first here. Yeah, you said we don't want to cheat here, so I delete this here. This part.
Yeah, remove everything.
Yeah. I think this is the way, yeah? You remember when I told you you have to copy empty space and then you print the empty space like here, like see? Like this. No, it's not working. You have to
I think the rest is here.
screenshot the empty space and then like paste it. See here?
But why not just?
No, you're right. It's a waste of time. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so find V0, yeah? Find.
Okay, can you check what this current is? Bottom left, it's gone. This use source.
Don't think there
Maybe-
was. Oh,
It's
yeah, 2 MA.
2M. Okay,
Not bad.
that's okay.
2 MA, yeah? Like this?
Yep.
Okay. Find V0, let me just draw it quickly. Okay. So tomorrow we'll do source, and then we'll finish that source. Yeah, we try to finish it tomorrow, and then like Sunday we like do revision for like everything. Yeah.
Okay.
But I doubt. Yeah, I know. I love that he said in the WhatsApp. Like he corrected me. He was like, also including chapter 1 and like everything before.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why, but like knowing him, I don't think he'll bring anything related to that.
Well, I mean, for example, power is old, but you can make a mesh problem and just find the power in the sources. Like you can combine them. It doesn't have to make it just find power or find, you know. You can make equivalent resistance and then use mesh and then find the power in the sources. You can bring them all to one big ugly problem.
I think he'll give us one problem and like he will say this is your midterm. You just find the solution. One problem that has like everything combined.
I mean, he can give you one problem and say find the answer using nodal and then find the answer using mesh. He doesn't have to even do more than one problem. You can still use this method and use that method after.
I don't think he graded the first quiz until now.
That's good for us if he didn't.
He does not want to.
I wouldn't either. Like, it's probably to him the same way I would look if I was reading like 1 + 1 = 3, 2 + 5 = I don't know 6. It's probably how he feels when he looks at it.
Well, it's like because it's like this, yeah. What does he see? What do you see here? Huh? In this photo?
I see like a stick man.
Stickman, yeah.
Mhm.
For us, this is what we see. We only see. Oh, there's this circle inside here, and there's this circle. Is this circle a dog? This is what he feels.
Yeah.
He feels when you say, "Oh, it's a dog," and it's completely not. You can see it. You can.
Yeah, we know immediately what it is, but or he knows it's stick man right away and we think it's a dog. I see your example.
Yeah. Like as he said, remember, drawing. If somebody like showed me this drawing, what the hell is that? I don't know. But if someone showed me this, oh baby. No, I love that his midterm. You remember he said his final. He was like looking at the question. Remember, like his doctor. And it's fine. It's like, look, question, tell me what's the answer. He like looked at it for 3 seconds and then gave this professor the answer. The professor was shocked. I think his professor is dead now.
Maybe.
he was in his 20s and his professor was like 50s. So that means what? Like 40 years? Is the professor 90 years old?
Well, maybe. I don't know.
Maybe. But the engineers, engineers don't live past 50, 60, 65.
But our professor,
His professor still has 5 more years. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just saying, like, lifespan is less because of the stress.
but maybe you won't have any mental problems at least. You'll stay sharp.
Maybe, but like,
You won't get like Alzheimer's.
but like years of mental stress can decrease lifespan. Actually, like, see, what's it called? Engineer, electrical lifespan. Death age. See, 42 years, bro. What the hell? Statistically.
I just say no. I drew it already, so you don't accuse me of like working while you're talking. I already do.
Oh wow.
Did you draw it?
I drew it in my book and okay, so wait, let's look at I1 first.
Yeah, let's do that. So what's I1?
I1 is 4, right?
Yes, and what's I2?
I2 is this is not a supernode because it's not above.
Yeah. It's not, no, there's no super mesh here.
There's like if there was like, let's say this 4MA was here, then it would
Then
become
be a
super mesh, yeah?
Yes, super mesh. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So if this bad boy was basically here, yeah?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Then you'd have a super mesh.
Okay. So as we said, and I2 is what? It's 2, yeah?
-2. Look at the sign.
Yes, I forgot again.
Don't rush.
Is
Focus.
this the same question? Oh my god. Bro. Bro.
What?
This is the wrong question.
This is the first question.
Yeah, I know. It's like, wait, they did this. I remember you corrected me.
Oh yeah.
My bad, bro.
Wait. No, it's not. This is not the same.
This is because I went here. Yeah.
Oh.
When I zoomed in, I think it went up. Like, see, I'm here.
Oh,
When you zoom in, it goes up. Yeah. Like, see, it says here page 5 when you zoom out, but then when you zoom in, page 4. See? So down. Okay, it's okay. Go here. Do this. Bring this here. Cancel this. Then put this here. Type this. What the hell? See. Yeah,
this
this is a super mesh also again.
Yeah, we have a super mesh.
Because you can see the source here in the middle. Okay,
Yeah,
so
the branch.
I'll just rewrite it again. Here down next to it. So find I naught using mesh, and so.
Okay, so to draw it again now because new circuit.
I'm sorry, bro.
No, it's fine.
Because as soon as if you didn't correct me for like I think we would have solved it fully. Okay, I3.
But it looks easy though.
Yeah, it doesn't look hard. I will try it. I want you to nudge me in the right direction while solving it before you solve it.
Yeah, I won't tell you anything. You can solve the whole problem for me. How about that?
No, I'm not that confident.
Yeah, if I can nudge you in the right direction if you're stuck. But like, you can do the heavy lifting, and I'll silently do it on my end, and I'll see if what you do agrees with what I do.
Okay. So let's write. I1 is equal to what?
Did you finish drawing?
Yeah, you wrote it in my book.
Oh, that was fast.
And then And then I2 is what?
Is that what the question is asking, or what's the question asking?
It's asking what is I0.
Okay.
No, I0 is in the middle.
Is that 2 or 3 in the middle there? Like,
This
that's
one? 2.
is it 2 ohms?
2 ohms, yeah.
Okay. Is this what you'll do on the exam?
And when I give up, yeah. Sure. It's really crazy.
Done drawing.
Huh?
Done drawing.
You're done?
Yeah, and well, you made a mistake.
Where?
Sign.
It's going up, and this I2 is going down. So,
It's literally too fast. Thought is like
huh?
like you understand that you're just going too fast. Like you have to slow down and focus. Like you understand it. You know why it's negative. You just the thing is you're going too fast. You don't see that it's negative.
Yeah. Okay. And then let's look at I2. I2 has a source. Then has a dependent. What's it called? Plus or minus. We got source, yeah.
See, dependent. No, this is independent.
Independent. I mean.
Yeah.
What's the difference between plus minus and the arrow? I forgot. It's going from this direction.
Plus minus is voltage. Arrow is current.
Okay, voltage. Okay. So we have I2. Do we write I2 as 12 V or no? We wait. We write I2 as 12 V.
No, because I is a current and V is a voltage. You don't know what I is. I2.
Yeah, okay, then I will write I2 is what is 2. Don't I write as 2K I2 minus I1?
For I2, we're gonna have to do the super mesh loop. We can't get I2 right now.
Okay, then we'll just write I2 as nothing. And then we'll look at I3.
Yeah, all we have is
the same thing, right? We're also going to note.
Yes, sorry?
I3 also or no?
I3, we don't know I3 either.
Yeah, okay.
We have to do a super mesh.
Okay, so inside is this one and then super mesh. We have to look at what? Super mesh is to look at what's in between these two. So this guy is going like this. It's like going from here and then like this, yeah?
Yes, that's correct. The correct direction, yeah.
Like from here to here, basically.
Yeah.
Okay, so we look at this first, right? 2, or can we go from here? Minus 12.
It doesn't matter, just as long as you're going the right way.
Okay,
So
let's just do it from minus 12.
okay,
Hmm?
we can do that.
You don't want to do that?
Yeah, let's do that. That's where I would have started anyway.
Okay. Why is the hands bad? We have to redraw. I'm just kidding. Okay, so first is what? Minus 12. V. Let's just call it V. And then we'll go from here, yeah? Or we don't go from here?
Because remember we ignored
Yeah,
it.
we ignored it, yeah, right, okay. And then plus 2 to I3, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And then we go here. We go here to the left or not to here, yeah? To the left.
Yeah. You have to stay within the super mesh.
Yeah, you're right, okay. So then plus what? Plus 1 times I3 minus I1, yeah?
Yes.
I3 minus I1. And then I3 minus I1, yeah, here. And then plus nothing, that's it.
No, you have to keep going.
Oh,
You have
two
to,
here, yeah, my bad. 2 then down here.
if it helps, draw the super mesh. If it helps, so you know what you're doing.
Okay, because that's what I'm drawing it here.
Yeah, that's the super mesh. So you have to go all the way until you reach back to the to that.
And then plus 2K to I1 minus I2.
Plus 2 plus 2 I2 minus I1.
Plus 2 I2 minus I1.
Yeah, because I2 is the inner one. You always have to do the inner minus the outer.
Okay. I2 minus I1.
Yes.
All of it equated to 0, yeah?
Yeah. Now let's simplify it.
You're on your phone? Do I zoom in for you to make it better? Or
No, this is good. You can keep it like this.
Okay, you're on your phone, yeah?
Yeah, I'm on my phone.
Because it might take too much of your charge. Because I remember I was studying with my one Google Meet on the phone. It took like 70% of my phone.
I'm getting my phone's plugged in. I want
Oh,
nothing.
okay, okay, that's cool.
Okay, now.
So okay. So we just take. We'll wait for a second. We look at I1. So I1 is what? Is 4. So we replace this guy. It's gonna be 4, and this guy is gonna be 4. So first one is minus 12 v, and then minus 2 1i, and then plus I1 I3 will give you what? Will give you 1 I3, and then 1 times minus 4 will give you what? Minus 4, yeah. I3 minus I4, yeah. Is this I mean I1?
Look, just do the entire thing by yourself, and I'll do it by myself, and just compare. Okay, so like.
Sure.
Try to do it completely by yourself, and we'll compare at the end, okay? No, not the whole question. I mean, like just like simplify, and I'll see if we get the same thing, okay?
Yeah, sure. The plus 2 times 2i2 minus 2i4 times minus 8 equal to 0.
Okay, I'm done.
Minus 8 and is 12v also like considered the same as these guys? Like we don't read the v.
Yeah, anything is multiplied by current is a v.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll take all of these negatives to the other side. That become 24. So it's basically like this: 2i2 minus i3 is equal to 24. Minus 1i3. Yeah.
I have 2i2 plus 3i3 equals 24.
Plus 3i3.
Because all my i3s are positive. I don't have any.
God.
Because okay, you have plus 2i3 at the top, right? And then plus
This
1
becomes this. Yeah. See, I wrote this as negative. I don't know how. Maybe I was. Yeah. Oh, because I did this. You see this? I did this, and I put it, but my mouse I think didn't click, so it became like this. Like see,
Oh.
I did it, but my mouse didn't click, so it didn't see. That's why I was. Okay, so it's like this basically. Yeah.
2i2, yeah, that's what I have.
2 plus 3i3 is equal to 2.
So what do you suggest we do now?
Now I use the calculator. No.
But we
Before the calculator, we do the one now inside. I think.
Okay, so what would it be?
Okay, so I'll write it next to it here. So last time I called it not SM. What did we call it? Huh?
What?
What did we call it last time?
Call what? The internal.
Inside, yeah. Internal, we
Like,
called
what
it not SM, no?
We didn't call it anything. Just you put SM for super mesh, but like we didn't call it anything. It's just the inner.
Okay, this
Just
is
the inner-
inode, yeah? So then let's just write inode. So inode is equal to what? to I1, to I2 minus I1, yeah? So inode is equal to what? To I1 minus I2?
This is for I naught.
Yeah, I1 minus I2.
I disagree.
No, it's not I1 minus I2, it's I2 minus I1.
Yeah, exactly.
Because it's on the inner.
Because I2 points the same way as as 2.
Yeah, my bad. I just remember our answer, it was opposite of the last one. So let me just write this properly. I0 is equal to I2 minus I1. So we write the calculator. We
Well,
open mode
yeah,
I1. Huh? What did you say, bro?
we're not done yet. We need another equation.
Oh.
This is for the very end.
Because we know what's I1, but we don't know what's I2 until now.
Yeah, and we need an equation for I2 and I3. We don't want I naught because that's another unknown. So we need an equation with I2 and I3 only.
I2 and
But-
I3 only, so we write 2MA then. So I remember like the last time we write. No, for now we just write this. I mean, just let this here, this thing. So what did we do? This was similar to the last one.
You want me to tell you, or you want to figure it out?
Trying to remember. So we need to do the 2MA, yeah? The one inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what was the thing? There was like something also to do with
Think.
it. Oh, I remember. So it's 2, yeah? 2,
Mm-hmm.
I will equate it to what? To, you see how our I3 is?
Mm-hmm.
I3 is like going from this direction, and I2
Yeah.
is going from this direction.
Yes.
So that means I2 minus I3.
Yes.
Minus I3.
Now you can use the calculator because now we have two unknowns and two equations. Now you can use now.
And
Now
then
look.
we plug them in I0, and then you
Oh,
get
without
the
asking
answer.
me this. No, not yet. Not I0. First, you have to find I2 and I3 from the calculator. Then you use I2 for the I understand. Okay.
Okay, so let's just plug it
Good.
in. So 2 plus 3 equals 24. And then for the second line, it's 1 minus 3 equal to 2, yeah?
Minus 3.
No, I mean 1 minus 1.
Yes.
1 minus 1 equals to 2. And then we know now what? We know that our basically x or a or first dimension or I2 is what? All of these guys are what? Are basically
You
you
tell
get
me.
6.
Okay, good.
And then the y, or basically L3 is equal to 4.
Yes.
And then we
Uh,
just get the number. So we put it in this equation. What's L2? L2 is 6. So 6
I,
minus L1. L1 is what?
it's not L, it's I. Be careful because I
And I1. And but see, I don't write the thing under it. My bad. I mean, I will still write it correctly. I'm just saying it wrong.
yeah, because I think like inductance is L or something like that. Like we're gonna take that later.
Oh
Like
shit! Yeah,
they call inductance and it's L.
Yeah, then I'm gonna call it this. Okay, so you want to see the answer? I got 2.
Wait. So what's your I naught?
I know it's 2.
I naught is 2. Are you sure?
Yeah. What's yours?
I2 is what's I2?
I2 is 6.
What's 1?
4.
What's I1? No, it's not.
Huh?
I1 is not 4.
I see here. Check here.
Minus 4. Look at the.
For fuck's sake. Oh!
Just
Oh my
remember,
god.
slow down. Like take it. Don't run. Just take your time. Engage with the circuit. Be one with the circuit.
The answer is 10.
Yes, that's what I got. Now let's see if they also got 10.
Not even close.
Let's see.
So what did we do wrong here? Just check next
I'll check my notes and you check that.
next to each other. No? Put this guy and this guy. Okay, so minus 12, we did this correctly, and then 2 ki3 and this and that, okay. And then see at the end he got what? Minus 12 plus 2 plus 1.
I don't think we did.
He got minus 4.
For what?
I mean, he got plus 4. See, we got minus 4 here.
For what?
For this guy.
Plus 4?
Yeah, I wrote minus.
Did you go the wrong way again?
Wait, did you also get? I think you also got minus. No.
Wait. I don't know what you're talking. I don't have 4 anywhere. I have 12. Where
I
did you?
mean here, I see here.
Yeah.
Minus 12 plus.
I have minus 4. But did he get plus 4?
Yeah, he has plus 4. I think plus 4 because what is it? What is the distance? Which one? I3? No. Yeah, here. See. Minus. Oh, because it was minus, so minus.
Oh,
minus.
minus. Okay.
Oh my god. Ah! Okay. I2 minus. Bro, and his I know this. Okay, no. So okay, so
And
if we just
8
so if
plus
we
4 and
just
plus 8.
no. So this will become plus 4,
And that's plus
plus
8.
8, and this will become what? This will become minus 12.
There's cancel. There's no.
Okay, so minus 12 plus 4 plus 8 will make it 0, yeah?
Yeah, they all cancel.
So they literally this number is 0. So this became 0, yeah? Bro, was it my mistake that you were following me, or you also forgot the number?
Sorry?
You got the wrong number because of me, huh? Because you're listening to me.
No, I just rushed as well. See, I rushed and I got the wrong sign as well. So they're just both slow down. You didn't tell me wrong. I was solving ahead of you to like check with you. I made the mistake as well because I was going too fast.
My bad, bro. It's okay.
Why am I bad? You didn't do anything. I made the mistake.
No, it's also my fault. I should have also corrected. Okay, so if we just rewrite it again now in the calculator, write
Yeah.
L2 is just 1, the minus 1, and then 2, and then we'll get 6 over 5, and then we'll get minus 4 over 5. So this one will become what? These two. This one will become 6 over 5.
You got 6 over 5?
Yeah, and then you get minus
I got-
4 over 5.
I got wait, let me see. 2, 3,
Let's see
0.
it's correct as you look at the left one.
Oh yeah, I made a mistake.
What here check.
This is supposed to be minus 1.
Yeah, minus 1. I also did.
I had 3 for some reason over there.
So,
Okay, yeah, 6 over 5 and 6 over 5 and minus 4 over 5.
yeah. So this here basically is what now? It's 6 over 5 minus 4 minus 4. So this becomes what? You're writing the calculator one last time. Minus 6 over 5 minus 4 will give you 26 over 5.
This is what they got, right?
5, which is 5.2, yeah? Let's just see. Yeah, 26 over 5.
You see, that's the concept. We need to not rush. That's all it is.
Yeah, so let's just go again, just look at them. So this one how we solved it. We know, like super mesh, and then you just find V naught.
No, there's no super mesh here. This is it's normal.
Oh yeah, you can use super mesh. Right. And then second
This
one
is-
here, this is super mesh. We just we went from the direction inside.
Do the mesh, and remember, there's always the mesh and the equation inside.
Yeah, see the inside. So I2 minus I1. Yeah, I2 minus I1, right? Where is it here? Okay, and then third one here, what was? It was just not.
This is normal. The drawing is weird, but it's normal. It's the same thing. The drawing is just weird for some reason.
Then like also this, we just do that. Yeah. I'll just send this to you just next time.
Sure.
Oh, Dr. Nasser is replying to WhatsApp. The current sense
Yeah.
is parallel to a wire. Oh, okay. Thank you, Professor. It's short circuit by the wire on the right side. No, this is a superposition question, I think. But wait, superposition is not coming or coming?
It's not coming.
You're right, are you sure? No, I know, anything that's not coming is gonna come. Last time, what's the quiz about? It's about Nodal. He brings Nodal and man.
That gave me a heart attack.
No, it's funny, I was studying Nodal the whole day. And I also came to his office, I was like, Doctor, but is it okay if I go? Yes, exactly, only Nodal. And then he did that to us. And then when he told his daughter said, what? Haram alayk, Baba, why do you do this to them? Haram, wallah, they will hate you. He's like, it's a joke, it's not a joke, first day Ramadan. It was first day Ramadan also, yeah, remember?
Is this a story with the provost?
Huh? No, I'm saying, remember what he did to us? He gave us 2 quizzes and then told
Yeah.
us it was a homework. He told his daughters and they both said, this is
Oh, yeah.
evil. This is like evil.
Yeah.
Evil. It's like, it's okay, it's a joke, they love me. When he gave us both exams, I was like, I was not mad. I was like, okay, I'm going to try at least. I'm going to try my best, you know?
Yeah, I just thought GG.
Oh yeah, basically. Okay, so خلاص, that's it.
Yeah.
You guess or you don't guess? Like, yeah, I guess.
for mesh problems.
Oh my god. Programming one. Look at the first quiz, bro. Look. See the grades?
You put it in?
No, it's see still.
This is okay.
So this is, he said this will be dropped. I swear this quiz, he brought everything that we did not study. Like bro, imagine, look at this, yeah? Look at this practice problem, yeah? He didn't, he said none of this part will come. He said no coding, yeah? You know what he gave us? Look at this, huh? Can you memorize this?
No.
Imagine he gave us 8, yeah? See 8.
8 for the quiz.
8. He said 8 of these. You see 8 of those? He said they will come, most of them. He brought what? He brought the most niche one in the exam. Like this one literally came exactly this. But I didn't remember it. I like wrote half. I made up a code. Like this guy, he said this. Yeah, look at how long. Imagine I have to write this whole thing line by line in the midterm. Imagine. This was like a question. It had, you know how much points this question was?
What?
Each question, it was 15 questions. Each question had like 1 to 2 points. This question, you know how many points?
What?
12.
Oh my! So that's the whole exam basically.
That's 50. Imagine getting 50% of the exam because you just solved this.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Nobody's
After
getting
that'll
it
be
for
like-
long. Except that one
Yeah,
girl
sorry.
who came, who's taking this course as a GR.
That's so cursed.
Yeah.
And this is for a minor, I guess.
You're gonna take. You have to take this.
No, I don't have to take this. I'm saying whoever takes this like for fun is crazy, and this like it's for a minor.
Bro, you know, I know a business guy. I met him last semester. He was with us in physics 2. I told him, what's your major? He said, finance. I said, why are you taking physics 2? He's like, oh, I'm just taking it as like an extra course, like to get more credits. I'm like, did you do physics 1, physics 2? He said, yeah, I did physics 1, physics 2. I did calculus 1, calculus 2, calculus 3. I said, why do you do this? I said, why don't you take like art, Arabic? He said, history is too hard, man. I don't understand it. And like, I was gonna slap the guy. He'd rather do a lab and like he did physics 1 and 2 lab. And bro, I think he got like an A or B. You know this type of geniuses that suck at something so easy? But like, like would you rather take thermodynamics 1 or 2 or take finance 100?
I take thermo, honestly.
That bad?
I don't want finance. I don't want like I'm used to one kind of torture. I don't want to be tortured by one way and then also another way.
I don't blame you. You see, we've been studying for 2 hours now.